Hello friends. Today we will prepare Baati and microwave. Let us see what is required. Take a bowl. Wheat flour, gram flour, suji, salt, food soda. Mix it properly. Ghee, water. Mix it properly. Make a dough in round shape. Dough is ready. Heat the microwave. Take an oven plate. Keep the Baati properly on plate. Bake the Baati under 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After 13 minutes, remove the Baati from oven. Just check. Then turn backside, bake the Baati 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the Baati from oven. Transfer to bowl. Add ghee. Baati is ready for serve. We can have with dal fry along with ready chutney.